maybe the sounds are coming from here.
Let's find out.
Gosh, it's raining inside.
Oh, my.
More strange sounds. What could be making all those sounds? Well, look and listen till it's found.
Let's go and tiptoe down the hall and see what lurks behind each wall. Whoa!
We'll check the ceiling and the floor, behind the curtains and each door. Look, it's a witch's broom closet. Oh, there's nothing to be scared of here.
No siree!
Fantastic! Let's go! What could be making all those sounds? We'll look and listen till it's found. Let's fly around while there's still light. Spread out your cape and then take flight. Now look for anything that might be spooky and give us a fright.